Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija and you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I do hope y'all enjoy my video. In today's video, we are featuring RPGShowHair, and today we're featuring their caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received. So this is it. Received a wig cap, received one of their magazines, and we also received a wig bag, a wig storage bag. And finally, this is our wig for today. It is their 12-inch 13x6 caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and this is it. It already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached with the strap on and ready to wear. This is it. It is their transparent Swiss lace in the color medium brown. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from RPGShowHair, their website will be down in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is their 12-inch caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and this is it. It is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and ready to go. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. So we have our wig cap on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, but this is what our lace is looking like without the foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. Our lace with the foundation on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like, and I'm gonna tell you this right now. This is my new favorite wig. This is my new favorite wig. I like this color, and because it has black in the roots, it makes it look so natural. This is my new favorite wig, and it has a nice silky texture to it. This is, oh my gosh, like I love this. Once again, today we're featuring RPGShowHair. This is their 12-inch 13x6 caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and this is what it's looking like. This is their medium brown transparent Swiss lace, and it's popping, it's happening. Okay, this is it. The wig already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached with the strap on. You cannot ask for more. Go ahead and click that link down in my description and make your purchase. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, but as you can see, it is already looking fly, and we haven't even done anything to it. Like, look at that. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, and today I'll be using my Got to Be Glued freezing spray to install my wig. We're just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Alright guys, so we just glued one side, and this is the result. Like, look at this. This side is completely glueless. Lace is on and everything. And look at this. Again, today we're featuring RPGShowHair, and this is their 12-inch 13x6 caramel highlighted blunt bob wig. And I am totally in love with this wig. First of all, if you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Make sure you go ahead and use the discount code down below to get your discounts. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but this is what our wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig, and listen, this is perfect. I haven't even tied it down and completely melted as yet, and it is just perfect. Look at that. I'm totally in love with this wig. Like, I just want to keep it like that behind my ear. Like, it just looks perfect. Alright guys, so again today we're featuring RPGShowHair, and this is their 12-inch caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and I'm in love with this wig, okay? I'm in love with this wig. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from RPGShowHair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead, click that link, make your purchase. Remember to use the discount code to get your discounts. Guys, this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but let me show you the lace one more time. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is our wig, guys. Guys, so this is the finished look, and it is on fleek, like, period. Again, today we're featuring RPGShowHair, and this is their 12-inch caramel highlighted blunt bob wig, and this is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from RPGShowHair, their website will be down in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look, and I totally love it. This is it. This is it. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.